How to allow camera and mic permissions in Google Chrome. This tutorial shows you how to enable access for video calls and voice features. First, find the Chrome app icon on your Android device. After that, long press on the Chrome icon to open quick options. From there, tap on the Info button or App Info from the menu. At this point, you'll be taken to the Chrome app settings page. In the next step, tap on Permissions to view all permission settings. Following this, tap on Camera to manage camera access. Once done, select Allow to enable camera permissions for Chrome. From here, tap the back button and then tap on Microphone. At this stage, select Allow to enable microphone permissions as well. After this, both camera and microphone will now work in Chrome for video calls and voice features. Once completed, you can close settings and open Chrome to use these features. And that's it. If this permissions guide helped you enable camera and mic in Chrome, give it a like, subscribe for more Chrome tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.